Hey, Tony Hill. I wanted to do a video for folks with alopecia, or, if you don't have much as far as eyebrows. As you can tell, I have alopecia, have none. And I developed alopecia about 5 years ago. And my beautiful wife found me these because I'm also an actor. And these are brows by Bossy. I just wanted to do a quick video. I've seen several videos done by women, maybe one or so done by a guy. But I just wanted to share my experience with you. I love them. I don't use them every day. I use them when I'm acting and other things, and maybe when I'm going out with my wife, but most times I don't wear them. But I wanted to let you know that they're incredible, easy to use, and here we go. So we have this indentation. I always put the brow just a little above that because it seems to look better. So I'm going to get a little close here. And I just use a damp towel, and you hold it there for, I generally count to 10, 20 seconds. I know this looks silly, but I want you to see exactly what I do when I'm doing this. So I think that's about, take it off. And some people do two brows. I like to do one. If you have kind of oily skin like me, you'll see they come out a little shiny. This one's not perfect. And look, sometimes you have to play around with them to get them exactly where you like them. As a man, more so, I don't want mine to be too thin, so I like the brows by Bossy because they're a little thicker. Some people do two at a time. I generally do one so I can see and measure it. Here's the other one. Same thing. Slightly over the indentation, and generally, if you're a little more manly athlete like I am, and you don't want your brows up, I always point mine down. Count to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever you like. Sometimes if you do it too quick, it won't stick. So, okay. That should be good. Just like that. I had to check the mirror and come back. They're a little up, but, for the sake of the video, I won't do them again. The other thing too, sometime, I think when I first started doing this, I messed them up maybe 2 or 3 times and had to redo them and really got kind of good at it. That's a little harder to do now because I'm looking into the camera. But anyway, so to get that shine off, I use a little lotion. Kind of pat this on. If you darker complexion like I am, you'll see the shine. If you lighter complexion, typically they're powder, pressed powder, or whatever that you can touch it up. But you see when I put the lotion on, it takes a little bit of the shine off. But I tell you, the secret sauce is if you put them on, if you want to wear them the day before, I would take them and I sleep in mine, and I just sleep when I'm not rolling over or face down. But I can sleep up, and I tell you, they look great in the morning. And that's really the sweet spot when they look their best, and especially the second day. So I just wanted to show you my journey and what I do when I'm wearing my eyebrows, and hopefully it helps someone out there with alopecia like I do, or if you just got thin brows, or if you just you want to enhance your brows. Hopefully this video helped you. Also, too, if you're interested, you can click the link below. I'll put my affiliate link in. I do make a little commission. It's not much, but hopefully this helps you. All right, Tony Hill, be good.